Ciao a tutti, bentornati a Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned spelling rules for verb ending with care, gare, ciare and giare. There was also a question. How do you say you look for? A. Tu cerchi. B. Tu cerchi. C. Io cerco. The correct answer is B. Tu cerchi. In today's lesson, I will show you the conjugation of the modal verbs. Let's start. In Italian, there are three modal verbs: potere, volere, dovere. These are irregular verbs. Therefore, you need to memorize their conjugations. First, I will start to conjugate potere. Potere means can or to be able to. Please repeat after me. Io posso. Tu puoi. Lei, lui, lei può. Noi possiamo. Voi potete. Loro possono. Now let's move on to the conjugation of volere. Volere means to want to. Repeat after me. Io voglio. Tu vuoi. Lei, lui, lei vuole. Noi vogliamo. Voi volete. Loro vogliono. Lastly, the conjugation of dovere. Dovere means to have to or must. Io devo. Tu devi. Lei, lui, lei deve. Noi dobbiamo. Voi dovete. Loro devono. Let's see some examples. To make sentences, you need to put another infinitive verb after modal verbs. Voglio imparare italiano. I want to learn Italian. Dobbiamo lavorare domani. We must work tomorrow. Lucia può cantare. Lucia can sing. Let's see the summary of this lesson quickly. In Italian, modal verbs are potere, volere, dovere. Potere means can or to be able to. Io posso. Tu puoi. Lei, lui, lei può. Noi possiamo. Voi potete. Loro possono. Volere means to want to. Io voglio. Tu vuoi. Lei, lui, lei vuole. Noi vogliamo. Voi volete. Loro vogliono. Dovere means to have to or must. Io devo. Tu devi. Lei, lui, lei deve. Noi dobbiamo. Voi dovete. Loro devono. Now I have a quiz for you. How do you say I must? A. Voglio. B. Devo. C. Posso. I will reveal the answer in the next lesson. In the meantime, you can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can also leave a comment there. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach indefinite article in Italian. Grazie, a presto!